big dog motorcycle ride. These are my two favorite factory-built choppers. The Big Dog K9, which is the purple bike in the background, and my current bike, which is a 06 Texas Chopper. As far as factory-built custom bikes go, I just don't think there's any better than these two models. Well, that is if you're into choppers. They're just very well constructed and very reliable. This video is about a ride from Orange County to San Diego on this 2009 Big Dog K9 that I just purchased. Now I'm using this Samsung Gear 360 camera. If you look closely, you see the two lenses. They're 280-degree lenses, so you have a full 360-degree view. And you can make a virtual reality video. But what I've done now is I use Corel Video Studio that you see here, and on the left side of the screen I can see it in the native 360 format, and on the right side is what I call a flat video. So what I can do, if it was the regular format, and the viewer, even in YouTube, can use their cursor or a little indicator at the top corner of the video and move it around as the video is playing and see different perspective. You can look at the back, the side, etc. But by converting it first, basically on the left side of the screen, I'm looking at that and I'm controlling the video, whether I want to look left, right, up or down, or zoom in or zoom out. And then I convert it to a flat video. So I'm more of a director in charge. I'm taking control of what the viewer is seeing, but I'm still getting the advantage of filming in full 360 degrees. This is shot in 4K, so by all means, if you have a device that can view it that way, do so. Here you can see I'm looking backwards. Now I'm not getting the full, and now I'm going to pan over to the side, and now I'm looking forward. Pan down a little to the tank over there. Now back up, back to the back. So you see, it's just, I'm giving you an example. Actually, this is the first time I'm doing this, of using this technology to move around. And there you go. Appreciate you watching this, and I will mention here this bike that I'm riding, this 2009 K9, has under 10,000 miles on it, and I'm doing some minor modifications to it, adding a sissy bar, changing some of the lights, fixing up some of the chrome. If you're interested in a good, powerful, factory-built custom bike like this, check out my site. Up in the right-hand corner we have a place for motorcycles for sale, and soon this one will be posted there. I also have a couple of others that we're going to be putting on the market. One is a 2006 K9 with under 2,000 miles on it. I'm also going to be selling this 2007 Big Dog K9, has about 15,000 miles on it. So if you're interested in these, be sure to visit our site. Be sure to visit our very popular motorcycle blog. It's San Diego Custom Motorcycles.info. And when you're there, mark it as one of your favorites. Also, be sure to get a subscription to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hey, thanks for watching.